I'm here in Brentwood talking with the people about smart homes, and today's question is from William. Why is everyone switching to low voltage lighting?
DIY, answering your custom smart home questions.
What do you get when a thought crosses a light bulb? A bright idea.
Reason number 1.
Number one reason why we like LED lighting over high voltage lighting, it's the efficiency. You're able to run the whole home with way less electricity. That means the cost of your monthly electric bill is going down. And with electricity rates going up and up every single year, it's very important to get onto this new LED lighting kick.
Reason number 2.
The second reason why we like low voltage lighting is all the colors. Not the red, green, and blue and the bajillion different colors you can do, but it's actually the warm whites and the bright whites. Like during the day when the sun is out, that's super bright, gives you good energy. We want to mimic that inside the house. And at night, we don't want it that bright, so we want a nice warm glow, kind of like a warmer Kelvin. It's like orange light. That is awesome. With the new low voltage lighting, you can control the hues, human-centric circadian rhythm. It kind of flows.
Reason number 3.
The form factor. If you don't see where the light is coming from, but you feel how lit up the room is, that's key. So let's talk about linear lighting and can lighting and where you can put it to accent certain things. I've seen them in headboards that light up the ceiling. I've seen them linear on the wall to light up the pathway. It is so cool to see a room lit from all different angles, not just traditional can lights shining down, casting shadows. So look at the form factor of how you can install linear lighting in the flooring, the walls, the ceilings, and even in the bathrooms and under cabinets. Kitchens are huge because you could do them in the toe kicks, under cabinet, and all unique spots.
The DI solution.
If you would like to switch from high voltage lighting to low voltage lighting, or you're building a new home and we can start from the beginning, we like to work with your architect and contractors. We might already be working with them. So please come by our store where you can see everything in person and learn a lot about low voltage lighting.
Do you have a burning question for digital installers about custom smart homes? You can submit your question at digitalinstallers.com/questions. Every question will be answered by their staff, and some will even be made into a video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, like, and share.